Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the passwords and security, then select fingerprint unlock. Then you have to select the backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin or password, so let's just select pin. Then tap got it. Then you have to enter your pin, confirm it, then select OK. So then what you have to do is to just tap on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button here, and tap on it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint, just like this. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering any PIN code, with only just your fingerprint. Like this. Up, and your device is unlocked. What a miracle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.